Yes, good morning everyone. In today's class, I'm going to start with the fourth unit, that is process costing. Okay, in this chapter we have two parts, that is process costing and joint byproducts. Yes, first we'll go on to this first process, that is first part of this unit, that is process costing. See here, when we go for this process costing, okay, what is the meaning of this particular process costing? First, listen, what is this process? So if you want to manufacture, okay, if you want to manufacture any product, when we want to bring any product to the market, that product has to come with several processes. Yes or no? So first, if I want to manufacture any product, take an example of any books or anything. Okay, so if I take this book, okay, if this book, first it has to come with a boiling process or manufacturing process, and in the manufacturing process we have the different process. Okay, first when the process want to come for the market, okay, when that product should be executed in the market, or that if the product has to be introduced to the market, first that process has to come on with a different process. Okay, it might be anything. Okay, especially the best example is this manufacturing industries. Okay, so in this what we have to do is, for each process, okay, if you want to prepare, if you want to manufacture sugar, the sugar industries, first kabbunna tartivi, sugar cane we are going to. So that first I am going to crush that. Okay, first adana now we are going to take that particular this one liquid from that sugar cane, and that sugar cane liquid that is going to be boiled, and in that, from that they are going to take this sugar. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಥರದ ಶುಗರ್ನ ನಾನು ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ನ ನಾನು ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಶುಗರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಎನಿವೇರ್. So if I want to bring this sugar to the market, I should overcome. If I want to manufacture this sugar, or if I want to bring the sugar to the market, I have to overcome the different process. So no, directly you can't come for this from when you are a baby, just you can't run. You should come with, or you can't come for this particular final year BCom. Okay, so to overcome, okay, to come for this particular degree, okay, when you want to become a degree student, you are going to come from LKG, UKG, first standard to 10th, PUC and degree. Yes or no? So here we are going to follow the same process when you are manufacturing the product. Okay, so here what I am going to tell you is, what is this process costing? The unit is process costing, unit 4. How we have understood what is this process costing? And in the manufacturing industries, see here, in many industries, for manufacturing a product, raw materials has to pass through several distinct stages of manufacture in a predetermined sequence. Each such stage of manufacture is called as what? Process. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ನ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ರಾ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು, ಆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ನ ರಾ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್. Okay, then what is this costing? Each process ge ಏನೇನು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಕರ್ ಆಯಿತು. Okay, I told raw materials have to overcome these different stages. So in this stage, for each stage, what cost has been incurred? What cost has been incurred? That identifying that is called as what? Process costing. See, listen here. Raw materials. See, these raw materials have to overcome the different stages. Okay, it has to come that is overcome with the different stages. Okay, this stages. Okay, this stages. Okay, this stage, each stage is called as what? Process. Okay, listen here. Process. For each process. Okay, for each process. For each process, what is the cost incurred? Okay, each process cost. Okay, this is called as what? Process costing. Are you all clear with this? By using this tool, then we will call it as what? Process cost. Are you all clear with this? This is called as what? Process costing. See here, what they are going to tell here is, after this, we have different aspects here. Okay, first what I have, normal loss, normal gain, gain, abnormal loss, and abnormal gain. Okay, these are the process, or these are the items which are very important in this process costing. Okay, I have to consider these all things. I am going to overcome all these things. What is this? First one is normal loss, normal gain, abnormal loss, and abnormal gain. First, we doesn't want to take this. First, I will explain when I come to the problem. First, I'll solve the basic problem. Okay, first I'll solve the basic problem. Then you are going to understand. After that, when I come from the second or third problem, I will be teaching you what is abnormal gain, what is abnormal gain, what is abnormal loss, what is normal gain, and what is normal loss. If I explain now itself, definitely you are going to get confused. Okay, first I will show how this process costing will be, how this basic problem. First, on the basic problem I am going to making you to solve. Okay, there I don't include all these things. Okay, after that, when I come from the next problems, that is first after this preliminary problems, I will be coming. Preliminary is only one problem I have. Just I'll show how would this process be. Then after that, I am going to teach from the second problem with all these aspects. What are these aspects? Normal loss, normal gain, abnormal loss, abnormal gain. Are you all clear with this? Are you all understanding? So after this, what I have to do is just see, just an example I am going to give. There will be 2 or 3 process, process A, process B, process C. Okay, are you all clear with this? Just they are going to give me the question, process A, process B, process C, or process X, process Y, or process Z. Are you all clear with this? I hope everyone are clear. See now, just I told what is the meaning of this process costing. I am going to explain only the meaning here. Okay, other than this difference between and characteristics, everything is there in the material. Just go through that. Okay, then directly I will be moving on to the problem now. Okay, see now, first problem. Okay, characteristics of process costing we have. Okay, just I'll go through that. The final product of the product is the result of the sequence of the process and the cost accumulated by the process, and it is standardized and homogeneous. Then cost per unit is average cost. We have different points in this. Just you can go through that, and if we have the difference also between the job costing and the process costing, just you can go through that. It is not more considered here. Then first, the process costing procedure also have given in the material. See the first process. The factory is divided into number of process. I said, okay, that has been that process. Some of the particular, this one will be divided into different process like A, B, C, or X, Y, Z, 1, 2, 3, like that. The process will be divided. The factory divided into number of process, and account is maintained for each process. Yes, for each process I am going to prepare an account. Okay, then after that process of this account, for each process I am going to prepare an account, and for each process I am going to show the account. Okay, process A, first I am going to do that account. Next process B, I am going to do an account. Then finally C. So nage process raw materials alla manufacture agi adu one stage mugid mele final agi adana finished goods anta kariತೀವಿ. You know that I have taught you in this marketing and service management. ಓಕೆ, ಆ ಫಿನಿಶ್ಡ್ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಬಿಗೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ನ ಬಿಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಅದನ್ನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊತೀರಾ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಬಿಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಫೈನಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಅದು ಮಿಕ್ಕಿರೋದನ್ನು ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಬೈ ಫಿನಿಶ್ಡ್ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಶೋಯಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಓರಲಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ಯು. ಓಕೆ, then see the second process, each process account is debited. Okay, see here, each process account is debited with, okay, here are some of the items, that is material cost, labor cost, direct expenses, overhead allocated or apportioned to the process. Are you all clear with this? There are some of the aspects which has to be debited, you know that. Okay, I will be showing that also. The output, that is nothing but the balance what you get. The output is output of a process is transferred to next process, as I said. Okay, that you are going to transfer to the next process. Suppose take an example, nimge output A bantu, aa output na nanu next process transfer to process B antini, B al baro output na transfer to process C, but alli last process alli en martini by transfer to finished goods anta haktini, because there the process has been closed. Are you all clear with this? Then the finished output or the last process is transferred to finished goods account, as I said. Last shall boroduna I am going to treat it as by transfer to finished goods account. Are you all clear with this? Okay. Now you have the process loss, normal process loss, abnormal loss, accounting treatment for abnormal loss, abnormal process loss. This and all, this treatment, accounting treatment, everything I am going to tell when I am solving from the second problem. Okay, because first I will be showing you the basic problem, theory aspect of today's class, and the basic problem I will be doing, and from the next class, and that is from the tomorrow's class, I will be showing from the this one, second problem, and I will be showing all these aspects, that is normal loss, normal gain, abnormal loss and abnormal gain, and how we are going to treat, okay, accounting treatment for these aspects, that is abnormal loss, abnormal gain, normal loss and normal gain. Are you all clear with this? Okay, now see the first problem. Okay, see the first problem. We have the first problem. Okay. First problem. Prepare a process account and calculate the total cost of production from the data given below. Okay, the process account, I have to prepare a different process account and calculate the total cost of production from the data given below. And total cost of production ashte kandidibeku. So I am going to, he has told me to find out. See, we have particulars, that is process X, process Y and process Z. Okay, process X, process Y and process Z. So see here in this materials, first one, okay, materials ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ದವನು ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. materials process X ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 2250, then process Y 750, process Z 300. Okay, then labor or wages you can take it as 1200, 3000 and 900 for different process. And direct expenses ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಏನೇನಿದೆ, fuel 300, 200, 400, carriage 200, 300 and 100, and work overheads 1890 and 2580 and 1875. Everything should be debited. Okay, in this different accounts what they have given. Then here he has told the adjustment. See the adjustment. The indirect expenses rupees 1275 should be apportioned on the basis of wages. ಓಕೆ, ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಂಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ 1275 ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಅಪೋರ್ಷನ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವೇಜಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ವೇಜಸ್ ಲೇಬರ್ ಆರ್ ವೇಜಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ನನಗೆ ಇರೋ ವೇಜಸ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಲಿ, ಆ ರೇಷಿಯೋಲಿ ನಾನು ಇಂಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ನ 3 ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಶೋ ದ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ನೋಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಶೋ ದ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ನೋಟ್. ಸಿ, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನೌ. First one you can do the working note, at the last also you can do the working note, but also first one I will be showing you. Okay, first ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದಾನೆ, first problem. Okay, step 1. Step 1, what is this? Working note for apportionment of working note for apportionment of indirect expenses. Indirect expenses. Now, see this. First, what I am going to do here is indirect expenses ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ. First, indirect expenses. Indirect expenses. How much he has given? How much he has given here? 1275. 1275 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ indirect expenses. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಈ 1275 ನ ನಾನು ವೇಜಸ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಂಚಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ವೇಜಸ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಹಂಚಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ labor or wages. Just I am showing here labor or wages. Okay, how much I have for process X? Process X ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? wages ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ? 1200. Okay, then after that for Y how much he has given? For Y how much he has given? 3000. And for process Z how much he has given? 900. So ನಾನು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. Okay, so it's very simple. So what is this? 3 4s are, okay, 3 10s are, okay, 3 3s are. Okay, you can do like this. So 4 10 3. Okay, 4 is to 10 is to 3. 4 is to 10 is to 3. Okay, 4 is to 10 is to 3 ratio li bantu nange. Okay, then after that what I am going to do is after this 4 is to 10 is to 3. Now I am going to apportion this. Now I am going to do this apportion. Okay, process X. Okay, process X 60 ಇದೆ ಅಮ್ಮ ನಮಗೆ. So first 1275 indirect expenses alva into what I am going to do is first process Y ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ? process Y ಗೆ 4 ಅಲ್ವಾ? process X Y Z 4 is to 10 is to 3 ಅಲ್ವಾ? into what is the 4 plus 10 plus 3? 70. 4 divided by 70. Okay, like this. And process Y 1275 into 10 divided by 17. Okay, process Z is equal to 1275 into 3 divided by 7. Are you clear with this? If you are not, this 17 is nothing but 4 plus 10 plus 3. Okay, 4 plus 10, 10 plus 4 14, 14 plus 3 17. That is total. 4 divided by 17, 10 divided by 17 and 3 divided by 17. So how much you are going to get for first one? 1275 into 4 divided by 17, that is 300. Indirect expenses for process X is 300. Then for the Y, process Y is 750. Then for the next one is 225. Here for process X, so Y, Z. Okay, indirect expenses. Are you all clear with this? Are you all clear with this? Then shall I show with the next account? That is process account. Shall I solve? I hope everyone are clear with this. Okay, first only you can do the apportionment exam, this one working note. Then afterwards for this, doing this for our process account, it will be easy. Okay, then okay, now I will be showing this process account. First one, process, you have to prepare different process. Okay, first one is what? Process X. Process X. Okay, how we are going to do this process X? First column there. let's record which are the items which are to be recorded in this process X. First, what I have? 2 materials. 2 materials. How much I have? That is 2,250. Okay, then after that, to labor or wages. How much I have for the first process X? That is 1,200. Okay, then after the labor, to direct expenses. Okay, then fuel. Fuel for process X is how much? 300. What about this carriage? Carriage, how much I have? 200. Then after this carriage, next one, to work, overheads. To work overheads, how much I have? 1,890. Then after that, to indirect expenses. To indirect expenses, how much I have? 300. Okay, 300 for process X. Indirect expenses ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. 300 you are going to get. So I don't have anything to credit here. First, what I have to do is I should see the total of this. First, I should see the total of this. Okay, 2,250 plus 1,200 plus 300 plus 200 plus 1,890 plus 300, 6,140. Okay, 6,140. I don't have anything. So what I told here when I want to prepare this process account, what I have to do, this is a just basic problem. Don't consider this for all the problem. I will be teaching from the next problem. We will be getting abnormal loss, gain, normal loss, normal gain ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ adjustments ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಾನು ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಆಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿ ಅಕೌಂಟು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಿಲಿಮಿನರಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಓಕೆ, so 6,140. What you are going to treat it as? I don't have anything here this credit side. Abnormal loss ಆಗಲಿ, abnormal this one normal loss ಆಗಲಿ ಯಾವುದೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಲಾಸ್, ಅಬ್ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಬಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಬ್ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಗೇನ್ ಅಥವಾ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಗೇನ್ ಬಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತು, ಇದನ್ನು ಬಟ್ ಐ ಬಿ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ವೆನ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್, ಬಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನೋ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು. So I don't have anything here, so I am going to take this here. Okay, by transfer to process Y. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಏನು X ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ Y ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ 6,140. ಈ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ವೈಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ವೈ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಇದು ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಏನಂತ? ಟು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದು 6,140 ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬೇರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ನ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಆರ್ ಯಾವ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್? ಟು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ವೈ ಅಕೌಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಆರ್ ಯಾವ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್? This is first process X. Okay, now I will be doing for the next process Y. Are you all clear with this? Okay, ನೀವು separate account ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಾನು ಬೋರ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು prepare a different account for all three different processes. Next one, that is process Y. Process Y. So next, now next one process ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ? Y ಗೆ. So to transferred from process X. Okay, process Y ಗೆ process X ಇಂದ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಎಷ್ಟದು? 6,140. Are you all clear with this? Now we will go on to this item. Two materials. How much we have for the process Y? Materials ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 750. Next to labor or wages. How much I have? 3000. Next after this, to direct expenses, fuel, then carriage. Fuel how much I have? 200. Then after that 300 for this carriage, and to work overheads. To work overheads, how much I have? 2580. 2580. Then after this work overhead, what I have? After this work overheads, to indirect expenses. Indirect expenses ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆಯಪ್ಪ? How much I have done? See the working hour. That is 7. Are you all clear with this? What is the total of this now? 6140 plus 750 plus 3000 plus 200 plus 300 plus 2580 plus 750. How much I have? 13,750. 13,000. Okay, this 13,750 when I don't have a process Z transfer ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ. 13,720 process Z ಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. So here ends your process Y account. I hope everyone are clear. You have transferred to process Z what the balance I have. Are you all clear with this? Clear everyone? Okay. Now I hope everyone are clear with this. Process X and process Y account is over. So by transfer to process Z, ಬಂದಿರೋ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ನ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ process ಗೆ ನಾನು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾವುದು? process Z account. Okay. Okay, next is process Z account. This is the last process Z. Okay, process Y the transfer agide. Okay, so now okay, to transfer from process Y, estadu? How much we have transferred? That is 13,720. 13,720. Next, now to materials ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ process Z 300. Then for labor 900. Then fuel how much we have? 400. Then carriage how much I have? 100. Then work overhead how much I have? 1,875. Then indirect expenses for the last, that is process Y, 225. Process Z is 225. What is the total here, ma? What is the total? So what I have to do is 13,720 plus 300 plus 900 plus 400 plus 100 plus 1,875 plus 225, 17,520. So here now I don't have any process now. This process has been ended. So by transfer to finished goods. Okay, last process alva idu. Process X ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ Y ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆ ಅದನ್ನ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು Y ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ? Y ಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, Y ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದನ್ನ Z ಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ Y ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಇದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲೂ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಇಸ್ ರೆಡಿ ಟು ಸೆಲ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ finished goods. How much I have? 17,520. Okay, then that will be getting total, that is 17,520. 2005. I hope everyone are clear. Okay, students, see, this is a process accounts where we are going to prepare for different each process. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಲ್ಲೇ ಅಳಿಸಿ process ಮಾಡಿದೆ, but you have to prepare 3 different process accounts. First you have to show this, what is that working note, or after this process only you can do better doing first itself, then after that you can prepare this process account. 3 different process you have to prepare. Okay, I hope everyone are clear and everyone have understood. And see one thing, this is a preliminary problem. Okay, just from coming next problem there will be bit complications by setting that normal loss, wastage ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೋಯಿತು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಅದನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನಾನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಯು. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಆರ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ಟುಡೇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್.